Hey, it's Race going over our Mod 10 assignment. Um, for the first question, when I was in high school and when I was in my previous college, we would always use interactive technologies such as the whiteboard, the smartboard, if you want to call it that. We use them to do lectures, to do presentations. I mean, I've been around them a lot more than I feel like my sister was when she was in high school. I just think, and then now when my niece is in high school, I feel like they have an entire day dedicated to interactive technologies such as online learning. But I've always had a good experience with them. They've always been very helpful, and I feel like in the article that we read, the the statistics proved it. So, um, the interactive whiteboard that I would have chose would have been the smartboard. I feel like it'd be easy to get to know because I am used to looking and watching teachers use those, and they have touch screens, so I feel like that'd be really easy as well. The remote I would have used is just one of the ones that was provided with it. The interactive app that I liked the most was Kahoot. I did Kahoot in high school when I had different classes, and a lot of teachers would use it. I feel like it was very easy to use and was straight to the point and very easy to modify as well. My thoughts after reading the article, the statistics spoke for itself. So in the article, it stated that they had increased results, increased learning, gain learning of up to 15 to 20%. And without clickers was like 10 to 14%. So that statistic right there proves that clickers and the interactive technology does help students. I feel like I would use them in my future classroom just because that's the way the entire world is going, especially with COVID. That way, students have their own clickers and they can stay at their desk and maintain social distancing and maintain their mask and still interact with the class. And I do believe that they would have similar results, if not higher, because kids nowadays are more used to technology, so they're going to get more out of it. And that was my reflection. Thank you.